Welcome to Kids Math Mind Games free offline, your magical world of numbers and shapes. I'm Amy, and I'll be your guide. Let's explore how to play and learn with our colorful math games. Look at these rainbow bubbles. Each has a special number. Tap any bubble to see its times table. Hear the numbers sing. Tap the play button to listen, and the stop button when done.
Let's learn the table of 5. 5 1 a 5. 5 1 a 5. 5 1 a 5. 5 2's a 10. 5 2's a 10. 5 2's a 10.
Practice makes perfect. Can you find Mr. Rabbit's secret number?
Try
Choose
a
a
higher
number from
number.
1 to 10. If it's too low,
Try
I'll
a
say
higher
higher.
number.
Too high. Lower.
Try
Find
a
the
higher
number and win a sparkly trophy.
Wow,
Tap
you
clear to
found
try
10.
again.
Great job. Try a higher number. Try a lower number. Try a higher number. Wow, you found 8. Great job.
Let's count
ducks.
happy animals. See
1,
how many
2,
we need.
3.
Press the
4.
count button
Great
each time
job.
you see a
You counted 5
When you
ducks.
reach the magic
Count
number,
popcorns.
balloons will
1,
fly.
2.
1, 2, 3,
Great
go.
job. Great
Meet
job.
our shape friends.
You found the
Circle,
octagon.
square, star, and
Great
heart.
job.
Find
You
the
found
shape
the
that
arrow.
matches the picture at the top.
Look
Tap
for
the
the
correct
triangle.
shape to score point.
Great
job.
job.
You're
You
a
found
shape
the
expert.
triangle. Look for the cross. Great job. You found the cross.
Grown-ups. Tap the settings icon to make learning even better. Change how many times tables repeat, or choose a friendly voice. Test the sound to hear the magic.
Testing voice settings. Multiplication tables are fun.
You did amazing today. Keep playing with numbers and shapes every
Let's
day.
learn the table of
Math
5.
is fun. See you next time in our
5
magical
1
math
or
world.
5. 5 1 or 5. 5 1 or 5. 5 2's or 10. 5 2's or 10. 5 2's or 10.